Let's talk about one of the greatest secrets when it comes to understanding women and attraction. If you've ever felt invisible to women, been turned down, or wondered why some guys seem to effortlessly attract women while others struggle despite having all the right things, this is for you. Here's the truth. Most men completely misunderstand how attraction works. They think women choose partners based on logical factors like having a good job, a nice car, or an impressive hobby. They believe that if they just check enough boxes, women will logically decide, this guy is attractive. But here's the reality. Attraction doesn't work that way. Women don't fall for logic. They fall for feelings. And more specifically, they fall for men who can create what's called a peak emotional experience. What is a peak emotional experience? To understand this, let's dive into a psychological concept called peak experience theory, developed by Abraham Maslow. Yes, the same guy behind the hierarchy of needs. A peak experience is a moment in life when someone feels completely alive, exhilarated, and deeply connected to the world around them. It's like the ultimate flow state, a moment so powerful that it stands out in your memory forever. Think about a time in your life when you felt pure excitement, happiness, or adrenaline. Maybe it was standing on a rooftop overlooking a stunning cityscape, being at an epic concert where the music felt electric, or winning a game or competition. These moments are peak experiences. They hit deep within your psyche and define how you felt at that time. Why peak experiences matter in attraction. Here's where it gets interesting. Women are drawn to men who can create these peak emotional experiences. It's not about what you have, your job, your car, or your status. It's about how you make her feel. Think about it. How many times have you seen a woman completely captivated by a guy who, on paper, has nothing? No money, no fancy car, no high-status job. Yet she's drawn to him like a magnet. Meanwhile, another guy who seems to have all the money, status, looks gets ignored. What? The answer is simple. The first guy knows how to create emotional experiences. He knows how to make her laugh until she can't breathe, take her on spontaneous adventures, or surprise her with moments that pull her out of her everyday routine. These are the moments she'll remember long after you're gone. How to create peak emotional experiences. So, how do you do this? It's not about being perfect or having the most impressive resume. It's about being present, engaging, and creating moments that stand out. Here are a few ways to do it. 1. Make her laugh. Humor is one of the most powerful tools for creating connection. If you can make her laugh so hard she can't breathe, you've just created a peak experience. 2. Be spontaneous. Take her on an adventure, whether it's a last-minute road trip, trying something new, or doing something unexpected. Spontaneity creates excitement and breaks the monotony of everyday life. 3. Challenge her. Women are drawn to men who challenge them intellectually, emotionally, or even physically. Don't be afraid to push her out of her comfort zone in a fun and respectful way. 4. Create unforgettable moments. Whether it's a heartfelt conversation under the stars or a surprise date that blows her mind, focus on creating moments that feel unique and special. Why doesn't logic work? Most men focus on ticking logical boxes, getting the right job, car, or status. But here's the thing. Women don't remember what you have. They remember how you made them feel. Think about it like this. When you're not around, she won't be thinking about your job title or the car you drive. She'll be thinking about how you made her laugh, the adventures you went on, and the way you made her feel alive. If you want to be infinitely more attractive than 99% of men out there, stop worrying about logical attraction factors. Instead, focus on creating peak emotional experiences. Ask yourself, how do women feel when they're around me? Am I fun, exciting, and able to create unforgettable moments? Because at the end of the day, attraction isn't about logic. It's about emotion. And the men who understand this are the ones who women never forget. So, the next time you're around a woman, think less about what you have and more about how you can make her feel. That's the secret to creating real, lasting attraction. What do you think? Have you ever experienced a peak emotional moment that changed the way you saw someone? Share your thoughts below. I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching.